Shut up and sit down.
Hello again. Colin here from Festa 67's workshop. Yeah, what we got this time? Shock horror. It's another Revell kit. Oh, it's another Revell kit. Yeah, I do build others, you know, honest. And it's the 1/700 scale R.M.S. Titanic. Kit number 05210. Feel free to look it up on the scale mates. I'm on there, so if you want to add me as a mate, feel free to do so. Standard box art around there, and this contains, oh, I don't know how many bits there of Revell's finest cast plastique. Doesn't tell you. Oh well. It's a level 3, I know that much. Yeah, already see my old favourite there. Oh, this is where everything falls all over the floor now. Carpet monster. Yeah, pick that up at the end, Festa. That's not even worth it, mate. Right, what do we got? Well, we've got the instruction book. The usual information at the beginning on how to cut bits off, and the sprue gates, the sprue diagrams, even bulkheads going into the ship. Pretty simple looking kit, not a massive amount of detail on this bad boy. The details in, I suppose, the building, adding your own rigging and stuff like that, but yeah, and then obviously you've got your obligatory cotton that they give you, which, yeah, I use an easy line. It's like an elastic, it's like knicker elastic basically, is what I use. So that's your instructions, and then you've got your ship. Like I say, not a massive looking scale kit, pretty straightforward. Couple of deck halves there, a single piece of deck, some bulkheads, your lifeboats and things like that, and then obviously your hull sections. So yeah, she's quite a wee version, but again, it's just one of those iconic ships. Now I don't know what to do. Part of me wants to do it clean, part of me wants to do it sinking, part of me thinks an underwater diorama, and I'm like, where am I going to store it if I do a massive diorama, you know? So I don't know yet, I haven't decided. I know what I'd really love to do, which is chop it up and do it as its shipwrecked state, but I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. I think it can be done, but yeah, we'll have a looky-loo, see what we can do with it. But because there's not so much detail on it, it's one of them, part of me wants to and part of me doesn't want to cut it up, you know, so hence why I've had it a year and not built it yet. You know, all your funnels and that, you know, they're all beautifully cast and that, you know, and it's going to make an interesting ship sat there on its stand, you know, and it would look nice with a bit of subtle LED work in it. So I could do it like that, or I could do it wrecked. I really don't know. Answers on a postcard, mate. So that's a little quick glossary of the Titanic kit. Any of you have got any suggestions on how you'd like to see it made, then back me an email. Obviously sensible suggestions, you know. I know there'll probably be a few that say don't build it. You know, it's each to their own at the end of the day, but it's what you think will make an interesting build, you know. I've seen I've seen them done on the wooden stands. I've seen them done where it's just sinking. I've seen it, you know, underwater. So I really don't know. But anyway, it's 38.5 centimetres long, so just under the box length. So yeah, it's a reasonable sized kit. I suppose if you did it sunk and chopped it in half and had the two bits quite close, then yeah. But you know, am I going to pour a load of resin and the expense of all of that for, you know, a 17 quid Titanic? I don't know. Or do I just do it as a nice subtle LED lit beauty that you just look at and go, yeah, there she is, that's the Titanic? Don't know. I'll think about it. In the meantime, that's just a quick little review or chat about the Revell Titanic there. Again, you know, if you haven't built a lot of kits or you're new to the hobby, something like this is a good way of starting, because it lets you build something, it lets you see it built, and you can go, I made that. And it's not going to bog you down in masses and masses and masses of fine detail work. Yeah, you got a bit of rigging and that, but you know, you can go on Google or look at the artwork and you can follow where the lines go, and it'll make a very nice looking piece. So yeah, rightio, I'm going to leave that one there. Feel free to tune into me Facebook group, join that Festa 67 Workshop group on the Facebook. I've got a page on there under the same name as well. You can support me on Patreon. You can email me at festa67workshop@gmail.com, and any other info you'll see in the end credits. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.